Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see all Apple Pay transactions. So just move in my Apple Wallet and I will just tab on this app add to wallet. So see your Apple Pay transaction history on your iPhone. Open the wallet app, tab a card to see a list of your latest transactions, tab a transaction to see more. So after adding a card you will able to see it. So in this way you can see your transactions on the phone is a very easy way. Just add your credit card first and then tab on the app, then you can directly see your transactions easily. So first you will have add to your card. So Apple Pay transactions only show the information, the payment method. Issuing bank charges with Apple, this information is usually. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.